All right, so we're moving right along on our next for sale vehicle, which is the 1963 Series 2A British military vehicle. So you can see we have it running. We have the body almost assembled. We're ready to put the seats in today. It's really close to going out and driving. Possibly in a week or two, I'll start the test drive miles on it. So with these for sale vehicles, we really budget enough time each year to do about 2 for sale vehicles. So, and then the rest of our time is customer vehicles, customer restorations. So because we're only doing 2 of these, I like to pick out ones that are kind of something that I enjoy or is interesting to me. So the last one I did was a 1959 Series 2. I love these military vehicles. We do make them a little bit closer to civilian than they would have appeared during their service. So originally these were painted in bronze green, and then they would have been painted over in like an olive drab or a desert color paint. And on the heritage certificate for this vehicle, it said bronze green. So we painted it in the same bronze green that we would paint one of our full restorations. There's still a few hints to its military heritage, but it doesn't have all sorts of antennas and holes and rifle holders on it anymore. It's just very subtle clues that it was ever a British military vehicle. If you looked at it from a distance, it would look just like one of our civilian vehicles. So a few hints: it has a truss on the front axle. It has these really neat military bumperettes, and it has these very neat threaded glass lenses, which the civilian vehicles did not have. So besides that, you would really never know that this was a military vehicle. And same thing with all the mechanical specs. This is built exactly to our normal version 4 specs. So that means it has the NAO rebuilt 2.25 engine, which I believe is the original engine to this vehicle. It has a late 1962 date code on the block. The head is the later style Series 2A/3 head. It has our EFI. It has the parabolic springs. It has the synchronized 4-speed from a Series 3 with an overdrive. So you can travel at more than 50 miles an hour. And going around the vehicle, you'll see that the interior is very original appearing. It has the round heater, it has the banjo wheel, and it will have the elephant hide seats. The bronze green, I think, is a very underrated color. Most of the vehicles we do are marine blue or pastel green, but we just finished up a bronze green late 2A that was a rest of world spec vehicle, and that vehicle looked great. I was out doing test drives on it a couple weeks ago, and part of my test drive route is the longest dirt road in Connecticut. So as I was driving up that dirt road, I saw a really neat waterfall because we had gotten a lot of rain, and I parked the vehicle to go check out the waterfall. And when I was walking back to the vehicle, I was just like, the bronze green just looks really right, parked at a trailhead off an old dirt road. It just blended in with its surroundings. So I feel like the bronze green is a very underappreciated color, and certainly an excellent color to blend in out in the wooded hills of New England. So this vehicle is available for sale on our website, so www.northamericaoverland.com, and you can go to our inventory page. The test driving process can take up to about a month, because during that process, I'm driving at 500 miles, and that's really a shakedown to make sure all the adjustments are done and everything is working perfectly. The engine oil, the break-in engine oil is changed out before the new owner gets it, and it's just ready to go. So that will coincide with late summer, early fall, which is rover weather for sure. Nice, cool temperatures. A vehicle like this is really enjoyable to drive in those slightly cooler temperatures, and this one will be fully ready to go for that time. So keep in mind, we only restore 2 of these for sale vehicles per year. The 1959 that we finished up back in the spring is sold. So this vehicle is a great way to get an NAO restored vehicle without the long 1 year or longer wait. So if you're interested in this British Military Series 2A in bronze green, you can send us an email at northamericaoverland@gmail.com and we can start a conversation.